Here's Hayes. She's got 8 in the quarter. 18 for the game. And, oh, offensive. And Nneka took a hard fall there. And the officials are going to take a look at this. So we've seen a couple players take some hard falls. We saw Wheeler go down, grabbing her tailbone earlier. Nneka this time doing the same. It's been a very physical afternoon.
Tiffany Hayes has to laugh because she's like, now Nneka.
If faces could talk,
If
right?
faces could talk, that face said, now Nneka.
So Agumake able to walk off under her own strength. Tells trainer Courtney Watson she's okay. So officials take a look at it. They're going to review. And they say it's just a common foul charged against Tiffany Hayes.